Hi there, beautiful ladies. You'll find best braids and cornrow hairstyles picture ideas for Black women 2026. Of course, you're certainly going to find some amazing best picture ideas talking about stunning braids and cornrows for you this 2026. These are wonderful style collections to help you stand out and look really amazing and beautiful. We have variations of hairstyles right here. Of course, you might be lucky to find variations of views even so many unique hairstyles for yourself to help you stand out. You can see some amazing ponytail style braids hairstyles, but of course the fitting braids, the Ghana braids, the stitch braids have always been popular, and that those are some of the things you should look forward to seeing as we go forward this year. You can find how you can style your hair as well. If you're looking for how to style that wonderful hair that you already have on you, you can find so many ideas right here to help you stand out and look really beautiful and amazing. It's really all about you finding something that is suitable for you, something that helps you stand out, something that helps you feel good about yourself. And we hope you find the inspiration that you're looking for as you watch this video through the end. Do not forget to always watch the video through the end, because if you skip any part of the video, you might be missing out on a wonderful style look that should definitely help you look amazing. Go right ahead and check out our playlist. We have wonderful styles within each and every playlist within our channel, within this channel right here. These are wonderful styles that will help you look good, help you feel good, help you have an amazing and wonderful time out there whenever you're rocking an amazing look. Do not forget to subscribe to this amazing channel for all the wonderful and latest hairstyle looks for yourself. Don't forget to let us know what you think about this amazing video. It's all about you standing out, it's all about you looking good, it's all about you having that wonderful time out there. And of course, we always want you to get the best inspiration. These are styles you can definitely rock all day long, all week long, and of course within the month. Some ladies actually go further to wear even a month plus, but of course it all depends on how you maintain your hair and the type of stuff that you have. And we really encourage you to have this amazing style tried out within this year. You have a lot of amazing protective hairstyle looks to help you look amazing and feel amazing. Do not forget to subscribe for more ideas. Let us know what you think about this video. Keep coming back for more. You take care. Bye.